You did everything right. You went to school. You got a job. You pay your bills on time. So why are you still broke? It's not because you're lazy. It's because you walked into traps that were set way before you was born. And by the end of this video, you're going to see every single one. And more importantly, how to get out. The middle class isn't a destination. It's a waiting room. You sit there thinking about what you've made while the system quietly drains your account. I'm going to show you the 5 traps that is designed to keep you exactly where you are. Number 3, that's the one no one talks about. Let me ask you something. Have you ever gotten a raise and somehow felt more broke at the end of the month? Like you're making more money than your parents ever did, but you've got nothing to show for. You're not crazy. That feeling isn't an accident. It's by design. The average American makes $63,000 a year. That's more than most of the world will ever see. And yet, 61% of Americans are living paycheck to paycheck. Not just low-income people. I'm talking about people making 6 figures. How does that happen? 5 traps. 5 specific mechanisms that takes your hard-earned money and turn it into someone else's profit. And the first one started the moment you got your first job. Trap number 1, the salary trap. Here's how it works. You trade your time for a fixed amount of money. And every 2 weeks, the money hits your account. And it feels safe. It feels predictable. And that feeling, that's the trap. Because here's what nobody tells you. Your salary was never designed to make you wealthy. It was designed to make you dependent. Dependent enough that you show up on Monday mornings. Dependent enough that you don't take risk. And dependent enough that you never question the system. Think about it. When was the last time your salary increased faster than inflation? And when was the last time your raise actually changed your life? I'll tell you, probably never. Because the system is calibrated to give you just enough to stay and not enough to leave. And the worst part, the salary trap creates what people call the golden handcuffs. You make enough but can't afford to quit, but not enough that you are actually free. You're not poor, you're just stuck. Now, before you think this is just about complaining, it's not. Every trap that I'm about to show you has an escape. So stick with me because the exits are coming. Trap number 2, the debt cycle. And this one is personal for me. I've seen people that were broke, then made money, then were broke again. People that are very close to me. And the reason was always the same. Debt that looked normal. Here's how it creeps in. You graduate. You get a credit card to build your credit. You finance a car. You take out a mortgage because everyone renting is throwing away money. And before you know it, 30 to 40% of your income is spoken for before it even hits your account or you even get a chance to touch it. But wait, it gets worse. Because the debt cycle isn't just what you owe. It's really about what that debt prevents you from doing. While you're making minimum payments, you're not investing. While you're paying interest, you're not building. Every single dollar that goes to the bank is money that does not work for you. And the banks know this. Why do you think they give credit card to college students when they know these college students have no income? It's because they are betting on you not paying it off. They are betting on you paying the minimum forever. If you ever felt like you can never get ahead no matter how much you make, this is why. But there's a way out. And I'll give you the exact framework at the end. Keep watching. Trap number 3, the lifestyle creep. And this is the one nobody wants to talk about. You get a raise, $5,000 a year. Feels amazing, but what happens? You upgrade your phone. You move into a slightly nicer apartment. You start eating at restaurants you used to drive past. And 6 months later, that raise is gone. Not because you wasted it, but because you upgraded your life to match it. Now here's the math that should keep you up at night. If you make $60,000 a year and spend $60,000 a year, your savings rate is 0. If you get a $10,000 raise and spend $10,000, your savings rate is still 0. You didn't get richer, you just got more expensive. The wealthy understand something the middle class doesn't. Your income doesn't determine your wealth. The gap between your income and your spending does. That gap, well, that's your freedom fund. And lifestyle creep closes that gap every single time. Trap number 4, the savings illusion. And this one is gonna sting. You've been told your whole life, save your money, put your money in the bank, be responsible. So you do. You scrape together $10,000 and put it in the bank and earn 0.5% interest. You feel comfortable. You feel responsible. You feel smart. Meanwhile, inflation is running at 3%. So every year, $10,000 loses $250 in purchasing power. The bank gives you $50. You didn't save money. You slowly lost money in the safest way possible. Now, the bank takes your $10,000, lends it out at 20% interest on a credit card, and makes $2,000 a year off your money. They give you $50, they make $2,000. You see the game now? Saving is important. But saving in the wrong vehicle is like storing water in a leaky bucket. The water goes in alright, but it's draining faster than you can see. Real quick, which one of these 4 traps have you personally fell into? Drop a comment. I read every single one. And the last one, that's the one that keep all the others locked in place. Trap number 5, the time for money mindset. And this is the deepest one. Poor people and middle class pays for everything with money they exchange their time for. You work an hour, you get paid an hour. You stop working, you stop getting paid. That's the deal. And it feels fair until you realize that that's the only deal where you can never win, because you have a fixed number of hours. You can work longer, but you cannot work more than 24 hours in one day. And even if you can, at some point, your body gives out. Your time has a ceiling, but your expenses don't. Wealthy people understand something fundamentally different. They don't trade time for money. They build things that make money without them. A business, an investment portfolio, a piece of content, something that earns while they sleep. And no, I'm not telling you to quit your job tomorrow. That's not realistic. But what I am telling you is that if your only source of income is trading time for money, you are in a trap with no exit. You need to start building something that works when you don't. So there you are. 5 traps. The salary trap, the debt cycle, lifestyle creep, the savings illusion, the time for money mindset. All designed to keep you productive, keep you predictable, and poor enough to show up on Monday. Now, here's the escape, and it's simpler than you think. No, not easy, but simple. Step 1, attack your debt like your freedom depends on it, because it does. Start with the highest interest rate first. Every dollar of interest that you kill is a dollar that starts to work for you and not against you. Step 2, freeze your lifestyle. Next raise, Don't upgrade anything. Redirect every dollar into building your gap. That gap between income and spending, that's where wealth lives. Step 3, move your money from savings into investing. Even if it's just $50 into an index fund. Your money needs to grow faster than inflation or you are slowly going backwards. Step 4, start building an asset that does not require your time. Could be a business, could be content, could be a rental property. It doesn't really matter what it is. It matters that it exists. But one asset that earns without you changes everything. Remember what the Rolls Royce owner said. I was broke the first part of my life, then I made millions, then I was broke again, and now we've set it up in a way that it doesn't happen anymore. Go. If this hits you, there's more. I've put together a free debt elimination blueprint that walks you through the exact steps to get out of the debt cycle, the trap that keeps everything else locked in place. The link is in the description. Go ahead and grab it. If you want more conversations like this, and not the watered down versions they teach in school, join the Metabolic Millionaire community. We're in this together. You work too hard to be broke. It's time to change the game.